start by removing this door panel, and for me it's already broken up top, but typically you'd want to stick a trim tool in here and just pop it open and then work your way down. For me, a lot of the clips are actually already broken off, but there we go. This side's already free. Okay, door panel's off. So once you're inside the door, you can see the rod here that connects the latch mechanism to the door latch itself. It's going to be easiest if you pop it off of this adjuster here, this plastic piece, and then we just take the whole door latch off. That way we can work with it. Okay, there you go. Pop the rod off. Underneath you have 4 T30 bolts. Go ahead and remove all 4. Pull this little plate off. The latch is loose, but we have to remove it through the inside of the door. Reach in here, grab it by the rod, and slide it right off. There you have it. Let's pop this rod out. Pry the clip backwards like this, remove the rod. Now to replace this piece, assuming yours is broken, depending on where it's broken, it might already even be popped off, or if it's broken here where it latches onto the rod, you'd have to take it out of this door latch, and the easiest way is to just cut it, because obviously you have a new one. So pull this straight out, throw that away, take your new one, and slide it through. It'll lock in like that. Then you can take your rod, put it in, and lock it. Now we can put this in the door. Now take your assembly and slide it back into the door. Over here you had this little plate that sat like this and provided a wider surface area for the bolts to grab onto. Go ahead and start in all 4 of these bolts, and then we'll just make sure that they're nice and snug. I'm going to tighten it in a cross pattern, that way it can pull itself onto the door flush. Let's stick the rod back in here and close this little door to lock it in. Let's put the door panel back on, line it up with all the push clips, and just tap it on.